Hello, it's me, Cod God again, and today I'm going to be doing a cooking video. So for this video, I'm going to make homemade crunchy, more like fruit and nut chocolate, kind of like Dairy Milk fruit and nut, which is my mom's favorite kind of chocolate. So for this, you'll need a large glass bowl, you'll need chocolate chips, heavy whipping cream, a spatula, and if you want, nuts and raisins. Like for here I have almonds, cashews, and raisins. So first, we're going to pour the chocolate chips into the bowl. So we're gonna cut this. Okay, so the first step is to put the chocolate chips into the bowl. Step number 2, put them in the microwave. So the instructions I found online said to do it for a minute, and then to check if everything is melted, and then do it for another 15 seconds each time. So let's get started. Alright, let's take a look and see how our bad boys have done. Alright, so it's not very hot as expected, and this is what the end result looks like. Now let's mix it up a little bit and see what's happened. See, the bottom is melted. So we need to do it for 15-second bursts now, the last time I did it, got it done in 5 times. So that's good, that's reassuring. Step 3, continue doing the process of putting it in 15-second bursts until it's all done. Okay, so after doing all that, we have now got the final product of the chocolate. As you can see, it looks really delicious. It looks really good. So let's stir it around just so you guys can get satisfied. Now, step 4 is to put the whipping cream. Heavy whipped cream. So we're just gonna put a little bit in there. And then you'll see the texture change dramatically. I think I might have used too much, but it's okay. See, the consistency has changed. Alright. So, see that consistency change? So, my next step is I'm gonna pour all these in. The nuts and the raisins in. And then I'm gonna mix them all together. Which, in hindsight, I should have done before I mixed in the whipped cream, but it's okay. It's heavy whipping cream. Okay, so yeah, I should have done that before I realized that this was not as good as I thought it would be. But, you know, it'll still turn out good after all. Chocolate's chocolate. Alright, so we're good now. Alright, so step 5. Cut some plastic food wrap, take a paper plate, and then we're going to put this in because this is where all the chocolate's gonna go. Alright, now we're gonna do the fun part of just mashing this bad boy down there, and I will need a knife. This thing. Okay. There we go. So you have that there. And now I'm gonna flatten it out. Okay, so after a little bit of a technical difficulty, we came out with this. It's flattened. So what I did to do it was I used a pin roller, and then I used another piece of the wrap. I put it on top of the chocolate, and then I rolled it until it became flat. So we didn't show that on camera because it took us some time to figure it out. But the final step is to put it in the fridge and let it freeze overnight. So we move this aside. Alright, so it's in there. So we're gonna let it freeze overnight. And then we'll check back with you tomorrow morning. Okay, so it's the next day. We just put it in the fridge for 12 hours. It's been frozen since 12. Not frozen, but in the fridge. And now we're gonna go check on it. Alright, so we just got this out. We're going to go to the table and taste our delicious treat. Okay. And that is how you can make your own homemade chocolate.